I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open Drive. Google, Com and switch to list view so you can see file sizes. This saves time. Next, click the storage column to sort largest first. You want to remove the biggest offenders. Select multiple files by holding Shift or Control, Command on Mac, and use the trash icon to delete. Once done, make sure to empty Drive's trash. Deleting alone won't free space until trash is cleared. Once you've cleared personal files, move to Shared Items and identify files you own versus items others shared. Remove or request transfer for owned huge files. Then, switch to Gmail and search Has, attachment larger, 10 to bulk delete messages with big files. Remember to empty Gmail trash. After that, open Google Photos and review large videos and duplicates. Delete unneeded items and empty Photos trash. These steps free storage that Drive, Gmail, and Photos share, so they're essential for meaningful recovery. To finish, empty trash in Drive, Gmail, and Photos. This permanently frees quota. Then visit Storage. Google, Com to confirm how much space you reclaimed and which apps use space. This helps prioritize next cleanups. If deleted files still count toward quota, log out and back in, clear browser cache, or perform the same steps in an incognito window. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh to reflect changes. If a shared file still shows,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.